Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to take you through how to create a single page style menu within Creatink for WordPress. Now by this I mean in some sites you may not necessarily want loads of pages and you would like just to have navigation at the top here which when you click on it scrolls up and down to the various sections of your site. If this doesn't make a lot of sense, I'll show you exactly what I mean by showing you the process of creating one now. So to begin with, what we're going to want to do is assign a unique ID to the sections of the page that we're going to want to link to, and we're then going to use the ID to create a special menu which will scroll up and down to these sections. So we'll start off by hitting Edit Menu, and we've already got a page created here. If you're using the demo data, then you can go ahead and just select any of these, or if you've created your own page, all you're going to want to do is simply head to the section settings for an area that you're going to want to link to, and here you'll see where you've got an area where you can specify an ID. So I'll call this Home because it'll be the top of the page. Next up, for the Services section, I'll give this a unique ID of Services. Next up, we've got this area with our processes in, so I'll give that a unique ID of Processes. And basically we're just going to continue through the sections here, giving them a unique ID, and then we can create the menu to link to them directly. I'll just do one more for testimonials here. And you'll notice here I'm using everything as lowercase. That's basically just to ensure it is a valid ID. It's important to make sure that you don't put any spaces or special characters in there. Just keep everything as a nice lower level. If you do want to separate the words, you can use a lower line or a hyphen. Sorry, an underscore I should say, or a hyphen. But be sure not to leave any spaces. Okay, so that's our page with all the IDs added. Now we're going to want to translate those IDs into a special menu which will then allow us to scroll up and down the page. So to do this, we're going to go to Appearance and Menus, and we'll create a fresh one. I'll call this Single Page Menu Demo. And now essentially what we're going to do is add a special link to the menu using each of the IDs. So we'll start off with the top one here, which is Home. So we're going to want to go to Custom Links, and in the URL field we'll remove everything that's there and simply place #home. And we're going to want to give it a title of Home. So next up, if we scroll down our page, you'll see the next one is Services. So we can get rid of everything in the custom link field there and pop in the ID. And we're just going to go ahead and repeat the process for the rest of the IDs. It's not very exciting to watch, I do apologise, but at least you can see exactly how it's done. There's the last one. I have purposefully missed the About Us section, just purely to the sake of making this a bit more concise. Okay, wonderful. We'll just assign that to the navigation area and take a look at our page. And as you can see, we've got our special menu at the top here, and as we click on each item, it'll scroll down perfectly for us. And that's it. If you have any more problems, any questions about this, then do come see me over at support. Other than that, have fun with the theme, and thanks for watching.